aquí andamos. Modelo Mix. What's up, bro? La Modelo Mix, ¿ah? Ahí está. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Chingón? Ahí está, las micheladas.
Mango.
Es todo, se avienta el viejo, ahí está.
I don't like Jordans regardless, and I think your shoes and your shoes are better than the
That's
other.
right. Es todo. So sick, huh? Hasta para allá. You're in the... Hello.
Hi.
What's up, fellas? ¿Qué ole? Chilling. Vamos para acá. Acá la SRT. Es todo. Para allá. ¿Ah?
Así sale de las cosas y todo cuadra muy bien.
Vamos.
Como así joven a su hijo muere,
No, ya llegó la placa.
Aquí andamos en las cámaras con mi compa Paco, en el audio con mi compa
Las aventuras.
Santiante que no se raja. Las aventuras, competiciones de mi compa Nene. Y márquele, compadre.
I know, but she was on her.
No, I just playing.
I would have brought her, but not right now. Not right now.
Not right. Mira nomás lo que se está chingando esta. Ya vieron. Cállate, estoy grabando la troca de para allá.
Pues, ¿para qué me grabas a mí? No me grabes a mí.
Cause you're in the way, no te quitas.
Well, you move.
You're in the way, no te quitas. Oh, yeah. I thought he was saying what's up to me. I was like, does he know me?
No, man.
Oh, I thought he was saying what's up.
You're stupid.
Que sacó la mano del sunroof and I thought he was saying what's up. I was like, hey. That's right. Están llegando las trocas. We didn't bring our truck out tonight. We brought the pulguita because we're undercover. So, you know, we're undercover, so we brought the little pulguita out today. You know, seriously, the plates say pulguita if you guys haven't. Look. Yeah, we're undercover today.
Yeah.
quema acá. No quema acá. Que sigue pisteando. I was gonna put on the shirt, pero ella
You're
me
such a
copió.
liar.
She's
I
like,
told
oh,
you.
I'm gonna wear the shirt too.
I told you.
So I was like, well,
You're such a liar.
like whatever. Eh?
You were gonna wear your
Guess.
tequilero shirt.
Oh yeah, I was gonna wear my tequilero shirt, but it was está manchado esa madre, huh? Yeah, so.
I think
modo.
you haven't washed it since Haley's quinceañera.
I haven't watched it since I've had it. And
Haley wore it for her quinceañera.
yeah.
So that's probably where it got dirty.
Yeah. All right, we left the park already, so we came to Yamava. Yamava, ¿verdad? We're about to get something to eat right now. All right.
Yes.
We're about to get something to eat at George Lopez Chingon Kitchen. Hey, ¿a qué hora esta madre?
Well, stop leaning against it. You're gonna push.
Guys, ya nos vamos del casino porque aquí llegamos y nos robaron, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
No se crean, perdió la loser, ¿verdad?
I'm not a loser. Good morning.
Morning, guys. Hey, ya es otro día del día de ayer y del clip que miraron ahorita. That was yesterday, so si no sabían, yeah, today's another day. Ya vieron, we went to the truck meet and then we went to the casino. Michelle se tragó un chingo de micheladas y fuimos al casino y pisteó más ahí. So she left me broke. So guess what? I have to go sell the cans. I gotta make my money back. I gotta go sell the cans. Y no se pasen de lanza, nada de que I recycle my cans. No, because the truth is, we go sell the cans, right? So, ahorita vamos para allá, ahorita les vamos a enseñar cómo Michelle sorts out the cans and the bottles y todo, you know what I mean, Jelly Bean?
Hurry, hurry, chop,
Guys,
chop.
ya miraron que
Chop,
Michelle se
chop.
fue al casino anoche y se gastó todo el dinero.
No, buddy, you took my money.
No, tengo que reponer ya el dinero, mira.
Tú,
Me quiso pagar anoche, pero le digo no se vale porque
no seas mentiroso.
no se
You
vale.
liar. You took all my money. Now you gotta come sell all those bottles.
Hey guys, don't say you guys recycle, okay? Because we know you guys don't recycle. We sell the cans. We sell them. We don't recycle. What up, guys? Good morning. Say good morning.
Morning. I needed to sneeze.
Hey guys, just want to say thank you for the support. We're also here to support whatever your hustle is. We got you guys. All right, guys. Gracias.